Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Blessed love. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, morning, evening, or night. Anywhere you are. Yes, guys, today is a day I'm here in Seaview. You know, early, so I'm gonna try to get the early lunch. You know, so I guess it's lunchtime now, so I'm gonna try and get some lunch from my friend Hot Feet, yeah. You know, Hot Feet, yeah. We all at the street, yeah. Yeah, Hot Feet. That's my brethren. Rasta brethren is also an artist as well too. Goes by Hot Feet. You see? When you see things like this, I say don't piss, you don't pay. That's what it means. Yeah. Black mango tree. This lane so cool and nice. I would have urged a dumpling, man. It's cool and nice. Guys, remember, please, whenever you're watching, to put the thumbs up. You know, so I make it my priority to make sure I remind you guys to always put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. You know, so we're here in Seaview. You know, if you like green mango. Them say green mango and salt. You know, so showing what Seaview garden is like. You know, so you know, in Seaview, people try to elevate themselves. You know, people try to uplift their liberty. You know, here, cause back in the days, you know, Seaview's a dump up land. Most of these houses was like a one room, you know, with a bathroom inside of it, you know, and a kitchen. So people tend to expand over the period of years, you know, time, as you can see like this, with the expanding, you know, so it was like this, the original house, you know, and then people just expand out, you know, till them expand on top. You know, so people just tend to develop the thing. You know, it goes already. People are gonna try to uplift themselves, you know, making the place looking much better and better and better over the period. Youth, you know, learn from me, you know. Yo, try teaching, you know, and learn. You see me? Yeah. You know, I learn. You know, listen though. Yes, guys, so as you can see, you know, people try to elevate themselves, you know, because the more you walk around, the more you see people develop. They build a house come right out from how it was, you know, they building out as well there, people building up on top, you know. So it's all a progress, you know. Life is about evolution, you know, evolve. We have to learn to evolve, you know. So just like they're like this, people just continue to go and develop. And I like how the place looking more and more. So you know, the more the place look developed, the more it gonna look like you're living in a gated community. You know, it's like a gated community when everything develop, you know. So people start from the low, you know, build up on the top. As you can see, everything is going up and up and up, you know. Just continue to go up. So let me go get my food here. Oh me, what going for me? Right on time. Hot Feet is sleeping. Hot feet. Mommy, have juice in there as well? Alright. You know, so yes, I'm getting some curry fish. You know. So the place is quiet, you know, Seaview is a place where normally quiet, especially during the early time of the day. The place is quiet, you know, people gonna work and everything. So you don't really find people idle sitting about or anything, so. So now, I mean, so you say, mommy take everything, them take card, Visa card, chip card, you know, key card, American Express, you know, Crest, Union, everything. Where is your card?
No.
Use your card, man. To mommy I take card.
No, I take card.
Where I run go? It's a camera here I run. It's a moment, you take card, right? I got American Express, you take American Express. So I'm getting my curry fish, well curried on, well set. You have to give me it outside so them can't see it inside there. So that's my lunch, brunch. Yeah. So you can pay by cash or card. So I go cash. Alright. Oh, the box heavy. This is a curry fish down. The okra and thing and vegetable. So you know Jamaican we love curry like we are Indian. But half Jamaican, half Indian. What kind of juice you have? Pineapple and beetroot? Just give me 3 pineapple. And give me a beetroot as well. So them have pineapple and beetroot. So I'm getting 3. Oh damn, as I talk about that, I forgot I got a pineapple. I got a pine in my car as well, so I need to get the pine in my car from yesterday. See, it's a good thing I remember. If I wasn't for the pine juice, I wouldn't even remember. Say I got a pineapple. So this is me all set. I hope your mouth is running right now. You know, so my lunch for the day. So here's my pineapple drinks. Pineapple 1, pineapple 2, and pineapple 3. Yeah, put them in our bag, please. So one for drink now, one for drink after, and one for drink later.
You want that bag out?
Yeah, put them in bag for me, please. So see they both food and juice, you know, at lunchtime, you know. So this is my lunch for today. This is my lunch for today. So I hope you have your lunch already, guys. So if you have your lunch already, say yes, Key, you know, I had my lunch too, you know. And what you had for lunch? I'm having fish, curry fish, and rice and peas. That's what I'm having. Curry fish and rice and peas. Alright, so guys, so stay tuned. Yeah, work. Oh. Stacey, what going on? Stacey, I see the right time. Okay. Yeah, we keep on here. We go for mine. Yeah. Stacy. Oh, go on. What's that? Flashlight. Good thing I see you, I can mind up on you, so I need to stay. How is everything?
Just go easier and take it easier. And everything. Yeah, and trust the Lord.
That is it.
Now we are quit about nothing, man.
You're not supposed to.
No, sir.
You're not supposed to at all.
No, sir.
So guys, so welcome back. We're back here in Trenchtown, you know. So welcome to Key Life in Jamaica. And I'm here with Stacy, aka Chips and Chips. How them call it Chips and Chips? He used to sell chips?
No, me just got KFC regular.
Oh, only go buy chips.
Yeah.
Oh, so only because she always buy chips and give her the name Chips and Chips. So imagine it, she leave Trenchtown and go buy chips only at KFC. I mean, buy what you can afford, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright then Stacy, so I got 40 US here for you. We have an extended family that comes here the other day, you know, and she leave 40 US here for you. For Stacy. Her name is Susie from Demontown.
Susie from Demontown, big up yourself and God bless you. Make the blessing run over. Big up the extended family them and the dream team them.
Yeah.
Me I come at the openings too, you know. Me I come at boy at openings. Big up Miss Donna. She and the kids there.
The kids there. They tell about that. I wonder if you run there.
Supposed to run there.
Because never shoes supposed to can fit the kids them as well, you know. I think I have a shoe that can fit one of them.
They're supposed to run there.
Supposed to. Around there.
She's supposed to run there.
Alright, Stacy, you know I see these. So me I wonder, this can fit you?
Yeah, this is the one you could have wear, but
Can we go to church, right?
put on a tight over
And also this one is another one. That can fit you?
here. Yeah, this can fit. It's not only about shirt, because two are sleeveless.
Yeah. Okay.
Talk.
You want something for your go to church?
Talk on the video.
So what you want for your go to
Say
church?
praise the Lord. Sing a song.
Sing a song. Hey.
Yes.
At least I sing down the shy like one time, Stacy.
I do everything.
Yeah. So this is also from Susie from Demontown as well.
Big up yourself, Susie, and God will bless you. Put up with the shoes. God will bless you, Susie.
Alright then, so we give thanks. I will thank you so much, Susie. Alright then, so you stay on the thing, go and big up yourself, yeah?
A class 3 not going on. So next year I have graduation too.
Okay.
Yeah. And the report him
Yeah.
going good and well.
Yeah,
Yeah man, him going good for the report man. A bright boy in a school.
that is good. When I grew up, I know you.
But me go. You see school level behind me. That a turn so now they so me go sell him next year when he graduate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then, so Stacy, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so we'll give thanks.
No, because it's supposed to run there, no shame.
Oh, Dana.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna check out.
What's your
Come. Oh, yeah. Whee. Empty. Empty out. Yeah. Alright guys, so what we're doing today, we're gonna fill out these holes. Anyway, this could have come up here for this could have come on top of here, so now this is me lock up them hole here. No? Yeah. So we're blocking out these holes guys, as you can see. We're gonna use cement and granite it off. You know? All of these holes where you can see from outside, inside. And we have run out of breath out there. Yeah. I go and block out the holes them. I'm out the way they were better gear, eh? Yeah. And I prefer going for a hammer. Hammer. Our ball. Yes guys, so we're gonna black out these holes, you know. Take our time. So I don't want to chip chip off piece of that. I want to take out back that board there. This screw. The drill, let's try it. Go for the drill. A drill, no? It up, right? Need more than that? Yeah man, I need more than that. Piece I'm going to show you now. I go feed a while ago. So the most open black out. Alright, Alpi. Show them what you mean, huh? So when them here flash, you know, we can paint right up in here, you know. It's like a piece of stone and see me. Yeah man, I get it. I'll go best around one stone. So I'm more stone in a sort of thing.
No, here, put stone on there.
I'll put on there. push it through. Give me that one from Inaso. Which one? Sorry, give me it from Inaso. Give me. No, that one there. My damage to people put in a water.
I don't put that damage again. I'm not a problem.
Damage one damage already.
Yeah.
Push it in, look a bit to me now.
Push it back, look at that.
Yeah, that one now. Alright. Stuff something behind it now, Gary. Put piece more behind this.
Alright. Stuff behind it.
Yeah, put piece more behind it. It's not fair, man.
Black side.
Yeah.
Can you also stick them? I will mix some of it.
Eh?
I will mix it.
No. Wait, one more. Oh, want some more mix up. Come in, boom. One more cement. The best thing I have to use first the hand. Stuff it in. Smart one, just stuff it in, see me. Exactly like that. Alright guys, so I'm here now at the wharf, Kingston Wharf. Yes, so I'm here at the Kingston Wharf and I'm here to pick up a bed for Damari. We got an excellent family that they're here in Jamaica and they got some stuff. They wipe off the camera. Yeah, they got some stuff picking up as well. And they did also send on a bed for Damari as well too. So I'm here to pick it up as well too. So Yes, so our father was them. Yes, I'm here to pick it up to drop it off for Damari. You know, so I'm here at the Total Logistic building, so waiting for them to come out so I can pick up that bed. You know, I want to thank the extended family so much, you know, for blessing Damari with this bed. You know, it's well needed. Yes, I think it's one of those beds where you can like bring up yourself and bring it down. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think it's one of those beds where you can elevate himself, you know, and bring it back down. So I'm just waiting for them to come out. So coconut water?
Just don't vinegar. We have cane juice in it.
Cane juice?
One. You know what I mean? I hear the two lang.
Yeah, man.
Two man. I see these way. Careful like that.
Yeah, give me something with that there.
Shake him.
Hey! Alright, come. Hero! What them this? Yeah. And this we are putting it. I'm joking. I got too big.
Yeah.
Can't take them on. So this is
This is the table that goes right there, and this is the bed.
okay, okay. Oh,
This is the same money when we buy the bed back, you know? Yeah. And this is the money they start to make.
wow.
And you want the money to paint table?
Yeah. Okay. So the bed will elevate himself, right?
Yes, when you set you up, you're gonna see.
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Hey, we've got hey. What's your name again?
Hero.
Hero.
One boy, nice to see you, nice to meet you.
I'll come back. Okay.
Hero,
Thank
you're supposed to get set your feet. Make
Well-
sure she has a picture in iPhone.
Yeah. The people can set up, man, because it's a simple thing. It's not hard.
Table for my bed.
It's a table.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so thank you so much, yeah?
I'm here to carry some of my clothes and clear. So me call you again when we come back in.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, then thank you so much. God bless you. Alright guys, so thank you so much. You know, I'm saying she don't want to be known, it's unknown, you know. Donated this bed. So it's the same bed, the one that he can elevate himself same way on it. So Damari have no idea about this.
Yeah, nice surprise.
So you just see that turn up at him doorstep.
What? Yeah. Oi.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Come on, sorry, princess. Come on, hurry. Excuse the girl. Excuse. Come. Yeah.
No, nice kid. You killed the ghost. Good job.
It's a surprise, Marris. Mute your TV for me, please, boy.
Okay. I think that's enough mess.
They watch Kino Life in Jamaica, Marris.
You see you
Poor Bill.
Big man.
you see this square post up now.
Okay. So here we have a surprise gift for you. Bring it forward. You see what they call it?
Like it's a bed.
Yeah, the recline one. You can bring up yourself and everything. So, this itself, the bed itself, you know, with the press button where you can bring up yourself and bring it down. You know?
The back part. Gonna make somebody set up this.
Yeah, we'll set up here. And this are the table. This are the table. So you put point and you're gonna eat. You just rest on top of it, so when you're gonna eat, you know. So this is coming from an extended family. They don't want no name to call. Just want to be unknown.
Unknown.
Yes.
Just unknown.
Just unknown, no name.
Unknown. Give thanks and very appreciate it. Make your food basket never empty. Appreciate it a lot. Give thanks. Okay, unknown and big up yourself.
So we give thanks to unknown. You know, for the married bed. You can see. And you that. So I guess everything is in there. You know, to set it up on thing, right? Yes. Everything in there. You have to go find space, the married.
I'll leave it up over this.
I'll leave it over here, sir, right?
Move them closer.
Move them closer. The man get big, man. I eat out the whole of the food. You are the foodie.
If somebody who can't sit down up in a man understand. But you can do me well sometimes when you under pain.
Yeah. Because you know more another time you can lie down flat. So I know this can balance it up.
I'll put this box there. Put it side there. Okay, something that will kill you. We're going to put it side there.
Yeah, put it side there. So come from around the world.
Rest it.
On top of
No, rest it, Rest it with you. Yeah,
So you that man. And so you feel otherwise, good though?
Yeah, man, good, man.
Feel better? That's nice.
Yeah, I go and hold the faith and I go up on place, you know?
Yes. See, I was going to hold the faith, see me. You know, and God bless every time. I will give thanks to our extended family. As you can see, the married there was Kino Life in Jamaica. At the same time, you know? Big boy. Alright, you hear them? Yes. Yeah, so we give thanks to our extended family. She want to be unknown, you know, thank you so much. You know yourself, you know, God bless you for this bed for the Marri, you know, so can done him well, you know, for whenever I want to sit up, at least him not try to force himself to sit in an uncomfortable position, you know. So we give thanks. Our thank you so much. That bed.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Ouais. Wow. Alright, well. You know, guys, so I left Trenchtown, so you know, I came here to pick up something for my friend, pick up a football shoe, you know, because here, remember in Jamaica they sew shoe, you know, whenever you have a lift, you know, your boots is busting out, or you need to be sewn and everything so you can get back. I know in Jamaica, it's not everyone can afford to buy a football boots, you know, so they play with what they got. You know, so through there's a tournament going on, a friend of mine who's playing as well, and his shoe bust out, you know, so him drop it off and ask me if I could have pick it up for him right here. You know, so but this is the type of business I like to highlight, you know. I like to highlight this business because this man is still trying, he's still sewing boots or shoes, you know, anything at all when he gets sewn, he can do it right here. And I'm literally just off Waltham Park Road, you know, and this man been doing this for years, you know, so even football, him so everything, you know, so but what really inspired me is he continue to do this for all the years and everything, you know. So if you're in Jamaica, you want to get your boots sewn, you know, if you can't afford to buy one, you want about boots, you want to sew it, get it fixed, you know, this is the place where you can get it. So you get some info, you know. Alright, blessings. Big up my general. Yeah, you see it, man, say, no, this is Kino life in Jamaica. You know, and so introduce yourself, make them know where your name and where you're located, where them can find you.
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
Marris is the name, man. The 7th Chassert Avenue off Waltham Park Road.
Yes.
Deal with stitching, you know. You know, shoe bottom drop off.
Yeah.
So we stitch it up here, stitch it on, make it still serve it like a longer.
Yes, you know, because
I come never do this now, I go see how now do it.
yeah. Because I know in Jamaica it's not everyone can afford to buy something brand new straight away.
Yeah.
You know, especially if you have a work shoe, a football boots, you know, anything at all where you feel like, you know what, I need to be stitched, you know, sewn so you can wear back again. Like the desert clocks, and sometimes some desert clocks lift off, and a man loves his desert clock so much, you know, all he wanted to stitch and fix back, you know, and see,
man, you get it stitched.
you get it stitched.
I come here to this, I know.
So this is how him do it. So how many years now?
I'm born and grown at this, man. You know, all kind of thing more shows.
Yeah. Just like that.
You know what I'm saying? I'm afraid.
So you see, so this is a football shoe that was lifting, right? So it's like the man get back a brand new shoes right now and don't have to worry, it's not gonna lift nothing at all.
Yeah, man.
You know?
I'm trimming up here.
Just look at that. So this machine now, how old is this machine?
This machine from 1990, from 1990.
1990.
And this is one of the newer models.
Okay, it's a newer types of machine.
The other one over there, so the older model.
Okay, so this is the one that they used to use back in the days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the newer type machine.
Yeah.
So how long now you been sewing shoe?
Well, I stitch shoes from about in the 85.
Okay.
You know? I work on no factory, man. I work on no factory and things.
You used to work at Jamco too? Jamco. Free zone them call it.
Oh,
but them used to sew. Yeah.
No,
Because we know a lot of people used to work in a jam crew. Freeze when they do a lot of sewing.
Yeah, we never interested enough for them, because I work on most of the top shoemaker.
Okay,
And
okay.
fix them too.
You fix them.
Yeah, if you notice the prep, the something like this for the one there.
Oh, like, oh, this one.
The yellow machine.
Oh, the yellow machine.
The back, yeah.
Yeah.
You see this the the arm.
Yeah, yeah.
So come and get it fixed up.
Oh, so you fix this machine as well too? Okay.
The one on one side is the one that stitch clocks then.
Oh,
The
oh,
bank rubber, the desert.
okay, so this is the one that stitch the desert
Yeah,
clocks.
when I make them.
When you make them?
Yeah.
Bank rubber.
Yeah. Desert.
Oh, okay.
These are the insole stitcher. The stitch inside, not stitch out.
Okay, so there's a different type of machine for each thing, inside and outside. So this is only for the
Yeah, maybe you could stitch the other one like that too.
Same way.
And everybody can use it.
okay, so you have to know how to use it. And that's quite impressive, you know.
The man and carry them football.
Oh, so see, alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You know, you have kids, you know, people who have football boots, you know, we can't afford to buy one right now. And the best way, this one?
No, sitting on the back.
Oh, this one. Oh, so you make these as well?
No, don't make them. When the people them carry them down from foreign, they say they come back them,
Yeah.
stitch them on. I'm sure.
Oh, so these are the combat them.
Yeah.
So you stitch them off from avoiding to fall off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when they buy them stitch them on from early, that means, you know.
Them don't fall off.
Yeah.
And this is for what? Inside the force?
Security buying them.
Security and everything. Okay, so these go in the stores now.
Yeah.
Okay, so they make sure you stitch them on first so it lasts longer.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Hundreds of them we stitch sometimes.
Hundreds.
Yeah.
For like stores and them place.
Like
Companies. And these are, is this the iron mouth?
No.
Wow. So you see guys, very talented man here in Jamaica. Been doing it for like from the 80s.
Yeah, from 85.
That's like how many years now?
And it's a woman teach me for stitch, you know. Me that work on factory. I work at the factory. I can't forget the girl named Blossom. And the boss go about at 9 night and the man, some man catch up in a 5. And I used to run the machine. And then get little and high.
Yeah.
And the day the girl said to me, say, when I go to work, and I see the girl, I said to me, say, Marris, I can't make them shoes are turned back, you know. You have to go stitch today.
Yeah.
So I said, I don't know if I stitch your machine there, you know. And she said, alright, you come. And she showed me, say, because she used to pick up the shoes and from the table care come with the boss. So she said, the pedal lift up this, and the next pedal, move it, like this. You understand? So, put the shoes underneath it. Put the shoes underneath it and Daddy and say, alright, take time. Tell me see it go on. But where it happen now, where really happen, I couldn't make the corner. Like the time I come so, I never know how to go around the corner. But the little shoemaker man them outside now, they must say to me, say, take time man, I roll it to the hand. And so tell you now, me take time and
they make the can.
yeah, and can stitch. You understand?
It's just
And then they move on now to what I want to tell you. If they didn't work, the boss will come back on the machine for that, you know.
no.
Can they find out so I could have stitch. And me have a bar run from the side there. Then you stitch and I go on every day. One day the machine I give me some trouble and I send me call him so the machine now stitch something big. You run at the bar and drink, you know. The same but the brother come tell me, say, boy, tell Marris, say, I have a problem, I don't have any. You know, when I always see my go and the machine go do something, but I don't know where I do. So I go on there, I see some gear now, and I start pull and do something, and I set back to tell me. Test it and I see it at work. So I say, oh.
So that was something you just learn again?
Just learn. And then come and one next day, come to the factory and say, Marris, let me tell you something. This one I give you knowledge. And you say, anyhow you know the time in our machine.
Yeah.
When you know the timing, you can pull it down to the last screw, put it up back. You just have to catch back the time.
The timing. And the timing of what you have to like anywhere you put anything
like,
from?
No, the timing it's like when the nigga go down.
Yeah.
And off take up the thread because I notice the thing in a thread.
Yeah.
So everything have to work in a time. This a come round, it a pick up and a carry over the thread. You know them way there?
Yes.
Yeah, so I know them thing there.
So you learn it.
Them little thing there.
And that is from the 80s till 30 odd years later. You're still here, still doing it same way.
Work at Tanners, work at Gator when Gator was out of 6 line.
Gator will make the big Walkerman shoes them, right?
Yeah, Gator, that was where they make the bigger drinks,
Okay.
Right, this was Gator, and then you have put up somewhere, you have Sammy shoes.
Sammy shoes.
Yeah, Sammy's used to there at this part, the bus park, you know?
At where?
Store.
Half a tree.
Where the big Sammy's used to there.
Okay, yes, still have Sammy's there, yes.
Still have Sammy's about the place, you know? I'm tell you, say, I work at Sammy's, I go at Tanners, go work. I work at Gator. I work with some other people like steel toe boots and stuff.
Yes.
Because them always love when we run the machine. I'll fix them and all them something, you know. I work enough places, man, and tell me, say, boy,
yes.
test something for my own, you know.
And you've been on your own for like how long now?
Long time. Call it about 10 years.
10 years now, wow.
I used to work with some command same way, rush through the machine.
Yeah.
You know, make shoes and so on. Not good shoemaker thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I make good shoes, man, but when I notice now, the material gets so expensive.
Okay.
To make a pair of shoes.
So,
you know, and the people they know really want to pay the price.
Pay the price.
You know?
Yes, I understand.
A pair of shoes that cost you X to make, and if you now make 2,000 or 3,000 for a pair of shoes, it don't make no sense.
Yes.
Because where things stay, you know.
The material gets so expensive now.
So it a draw with the whole of the little profit. It a climb in upon your profit, and then you have to work like it. All the night time you have to eat and you know what I mean?
Yes. So guys, so you see how talented he is. You know, so if anyone interested in want shoes to make, anything to stitch, anything at all to get done when it come on to stitching, to sewing of shoes.
But we don't work from bag.
Not from bag.
No, you don't have the time for bag because bag take a lot of time.
So these are some shoes now where you see my work to get done. Just like you see this one, I'm sew it to hold it, you know. So this is like from companies, you know, from companies. So I'm going to give them one contact number for you, just in case if anyone want to contact you.
869-4136.
Says 1876 869 4136, and it's Marris. So these are the clocks.
Yeah, nothing bother with them again. I just show up things, you know. If a brethren come, I want to make a show soon.
Yes. Okay. So this is what he used to make the clock. Those are clocks. And see the color as well. This is what I would say Andrew Oldest was wearing. The same color.
We don't want to mix an orange one too.
Yes. So this is what we say Andrew Oldest was wearing. So Andrew, so I never tell we say this is where you get your clocks. You know? So we can promote the man. So Marris, well talented Jamaican, you know. So the talent is here. So this is the material where I'm using to make the clocks. So when you sew all this now, I make this now. So the material already expensive. So what the price this will be going for when it's finished?
Let me sell one for 15,000.
15,000. But that's reasonable.
Yeah, I know that's reasonable.
That's reasonable. You know, that's
But
very.
you see what I just make it for couple of virgin.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna make it and sell it wholesale because you never get the money. Pass it to one of them. Something.
One of these, right?
The yellow one, yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, pass it one of this one.
Short. Video has it.
You see? So you have a
Okay.
last up on this. You call this the last, you know?
Yes.
Put it up on this. Put on the insole. And then put it on that machine.
On the one outside.
Yeah.
So is this the finishing touch up here?
Yeah, that's one of them.
So-
Not to realize.
So this is the after, right? As I can see. And look how this stitch and look well neat, you know? It shows how talented the man is. Bro God, Andrew Oldness. You ever tell him a long time I could have come get me, but there's your Clarks. And this is literally the same material with them use and all Clarks.
Yeah,
And the
sweet.
and this cheese bottom as well too. And the cheese bottom.
And it will clean up the dog.
Yeah, cause the dust and everything. So this is what you make for one of your brethren them, right?
Son-in-law.
Your son-in-law.
So 61 to
Look at
39
this.
in terms of percent.
So neat.
Brother,
USA.
Oh,
you go and brother, it's my room.
Yeah.
Look now.
This is so neat.
Look
Look at
you
this.
go and brother in the house. Look what it's set.
Right,
It's
cornerstone in France's
my
favour, but they have not been able to convert it. The
And I saw I like the cheese as well too.
Yeah. Look at it. It's part of the popcorn TV that you can see my dessert.
I like the cheese as well too, you know?
You have some of the cheese I'm gonna put a sun to catch them
They melt,
saggy.
them saggy.
Yeah, some of them.
So this one is the original one, the professional cheese and everything. Won't get saggy.
considered view of that first half.
Yo, so I tell
You
you,
can't wear them in an aisle.
yeah, in the aisle.
Yeah, like the gas station or the aisle. Right?
What, these ones?
You know one of the cheese?
Or you cannot wear them in aisle?
No, it melted.
It melted. Okay, is that the gas aisle?
Yes, aisle.
Oh, okay.
Melted.
Make the cheese. Boy, I'm not lying. I like this. You know? I like this. This could have passed. You know, if you start make the shoes them and put your name them on them as your brand.
Yeah, man, because I really put clocks on them now. Because that's not my brand.
Yes.
And it's the same type of shoes, but you know, brand different.
So you see guys, we can support our own because the same material what them use to make the clocks and same in the UK. Because what they're selling is the name.
Yeah.
You know? So what Clarks is literally selling is the name. Right? And this is the same material, you know, that they use to make the Clarks also in the UK
Some I
and
was in
US.
my bunks, you know?
And it's a Euro one.
Yeah. So big, big
It's the
body.
Marris size, you see? And strong, and it's come like so a long time I have this
Yeah,
on
man,
here.
long time I have it, man.
See? Long
So
time.
where the pan, me put on the side of my one. No, not this. So me kind of stamp it, stepper.
Okay. So you put the stepper.
Yeah.
So is that your brand?
Yeah.
Stepper.
Yeah.
So see you
You
this.
know, established it.
Yeah, yes.
So I kind of use that for the making a show.
I can see this been wearing for a long while, long time I wear this. And still a step in it, not
man,
weird.
Still a step in eye.
Step in eye.
Still a step in eye.
You know, and it's strong.
Yeah.
It's strong, reasonable. And you make like school shoes
Yeah.
and them thing as well,
Yeah.
too, right? So you see, it's very affordable as well, guys. You see, there is the same material that they use to make the desert clocks where you see in the UK. You know, it's the same.
So I
So
catch me one time now because me that show you some shoes where the girls, you see the bank robber.
Yes.
The girls.
mhm.
Shoe them in the choir, but with the shoes them where the girl about wear the bank robber and stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of change the style and turn it in a buckle shoes.
Buckle shoes. Oh.
Yeah, but it appear like a bank robber, but
Oh, but a buckle on it.
cut tonight same way.
And just
But
buckle
instead of
across.
lace, it buckle.
Okay, different style.
Yeah, that's, that's
You have to stamp them style before England see it, you know. Cause England see those style and gone with it.
Yeah.
They say, guys, look at this, look how talented we are. Look how talented we are here in Jamaica. This is exactly like the same material they use to making clocks.
But
You know, the same cheese.
The government, the people that are prime minister and the government, no, we're the government, so the ministers there do this and do that. Then I know so I make shoes, you know.
They don't know.
You ever hear them
They talk about, you know.
shoemaker yet?
No.
You don't hear them and talk about shoemaker.
No.
So the shoemaking business go right down in Jamaica.
Even the tailoring as well too. We don't hear about tailor anymore.
Yeah,
You know.
it's all
And
material
dressmaker.
in the body. Young have one that bring in material and then she manage the system. And then go she raise whenever and all them something there. You want people to bring down material. Because when for the factory them close down. We used to work at Waterhouse. Man named Winston Grant.
And close down.
One of the best shoemakers.
Yeah.
You have to close down.
Yes.
No for the shoemaker them.
Have to close down. Because they're bringing in the foreign things them to come in. And the online business where them not last for long neither. Because you buy one online thing and within a month or so it gone.
Yeah.
You know?
So I used to work with the more like top shoemaker them in Jamaica. I work with them. Kenmore, Branco Boots, all of them. Cardales. We work on the whole of them because you want to know. Me can run machine. I turn down this, you know.
Yes.
One time I have no.
Yeah.
Put it on the faster speed.
I run it.
Smoke fly off around and so on.
Run it. As you can see. So this is what you're fixing as well now?
No, you know, say, we just buy that because it's elastic shoes there.
Okay.
We just go
And you said, alright, and this looks so brand new
man.
for elastic, right?
Me I cut off them.
Oh, you cut it, yeah.
It's a trouble foot so big. Them here can now hold it.
I'll hold it back.
Yeah, so more this here stretch out, you know?
Okay.
Very nice, right?
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. But this is the original thing, guys. So I'm gonna say, guys, if you're interested, you know, getting a shoe fix, anything, you can contact him, you know. So
Yeah, the shoemakers, both by 12 people. Yeah.
Okay, so you must stitch him up.
yeah, because right now we say you gotta stitch him up right now. And this is something we get online.
No, I'm a shoemaker, you know.
But you're a shoemaker as well too.
Yeah, so you want to know, you know.
We don't have the machine.
Oh,
So he's the one that has the commercial machine.
so you come and check him to get it stitched
so
up.
we do the gluing up and put it together and put it in place. So we lock it with the glue in place and then lock it with the stitch,
With the stitch.
in place.
So it hold it.
Hold it.
Says no.
Yeah. I mean part of that.
So you're the one who make this?
No, but we make shoes too.
You make shoes too?
Yes.
Okay.
We all make shoes.
It's a nice shoe, brand new as well too. Brand new, being sure.
Some people come on and shoe stitch, but they don't want the thread show.
Yeah.
Some want to know how that thread have to show.
Should have a shoe.
But it's a neat stitch.
Yes, they cannot tell.
Yes, and when it stitch like this, you guarantee you don't have to worry about it.
Yes.
If you're a church man and you want to go to church and jump, you can jump and don't have to worry about it.
About the shoes bottom flying off or anything.
If you're
Yes.
going to the country, you don't have to worry. If you walk in the mud, you don't have to worry.
Cause that's what the main thing is now with these shoes.
Yes.
Through the sun, the heat,
Yes.
it tends to dry, they crystallize the gum.
Yes.
So it come right off so quick.
Heat is what puts on the gum.
And ease what take it off. That's what it is. Ease put it on and he take it off. See me. You see it there?
Yeah. So he put it on, he take it
He
off.
take it off just like
It's
that.
not a good idea to lock your shoes in your car. Why your car is very hot.
Yes.
And many persons have the tendency of putting their shoes in the car back and just throw them in the car and it's there for a long while.
And the heat does take off the gum.
Just take off the bottom.
Just like that. So with this now, it's a long lasting.
With this lastic man, you set it and forget it.
Yes. long lasting.
Yeah, it's all about setting it and forgetting.
Yeah, very long lasting.
Yeah, when we stitch the shoes like this for a customer, we don't have to worry that a customer going to bring it back to us.
No.
It must be another one.
Yes.
Or it tore apart, you know.
10 years later, it's still strong. Still strong.
But one of the things is that we as local shoemakers, we use the genuine leather.
Yes, yes.
So the shoes that we make for you, you can bottom 2-3 times.
Okay, okay.
Whether it's a work boot or a school shoes. So a lot of parents just put the money together and plan for it and make a nice.
Oh, you like talk about bottom man, talk right. Resole shoes.
Resole shoes.
Yes.
But they put the money together and come to us and we make a nice leather shoes. When we make the nice leather shoes now, it can serve the kids them through many farms.
Yes, yes.
We just make it a little bigger than them foot.
Yes, yes, true.
And it serves them through 3 or 4 semesters and things like that.
Because they know
So
so
we bottom it 3-4 times.
Because with kids, you know when them go to school, them out have a play, kick football, kick this, run up and down. So parents know, so when they come here, you know, link up Marris to get the original thing, well stitched. It last them through 3 semesters. You know, so it last them for a long time.
Last them for a long time because what happened now? We used to make shoes for the children. For a lot of children, the parents carry them come.
Yeah.
We measure them foot and make the shoes. And those youths now become adults and parent themselves.
Yeah.
And come confessing to us that the only way they can get a new shoes is cut up the old shoes.
Oh.
That's the draw knife in it after a while.
Yes.
Yes, to get a new shoes.
Yes. Because the shoes is so strong.
So the parents come, they who were kids and cut up the shoes. Guarantee the shoes. Come back to us.
Your father was a shoemaker.
Yes, come back to us.
Switch part budget, you know.
Yeah.
All brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, guys. So
making the shows.
yes, I'm saying talented Marris, you know. So guys, I'm saying please feel free to contact, you know, whenever you want any shoes to make or to fix, you know, back to school. You know, if you buy a school shoes for the kids, them you want it to last long, you know. Check Marris, you know, to get the stitch well done, you know, so it lasts long. So no matter how much you go to school and kick it left or right, still stand firm, same way. You know, so give them a contact number one more time again. It's
1869-4136.
Says 1876.
1876-869-4136.
And where them can find you?
7 Chester Avenue.
And that's off Walton Park Road.
Right in front of Rosalie Avenue.
Yes.
Big church.
Alright guys, so the contact number will be running across the screen, you know, so feel free, you know, to contact him. You know, as we say, the man who sold shoes for company as well too, you know, and he make them as well to sit there. This is Andrew Oldness, Desert Cloth, you know, to tell you about,
Of course.
you know,
do more for the shoemaker.
yes, so we have to do more for the shoemaker.
Local shoemaker.
Yeah man, build up our own economy because, of course,
need a little incentive on the materials because the materials are very, very expensive.
yes.
So if the government could do something to cut the cost of the material, the import, it would help us and the whole benefit would cut right across the board.
Of course.
Right down to the children, to the elderly, to the workmen, everybody.
Yeah man, help us help each other because that's how we have to help each other grow and build ourselves, you know. So we can build our own economy by supporting each other, you know, because this is the same thing you will get in the UK.
Of course.
The same material, the same everything, the cheese, everything you can think of is the same, you know. So I don't see the difference only because it come from a cold country them call foreign.
Yes.
And because we're here when them say the third world country,
Yes.
they don't think it will be the same, but literally it is
And one of the
same.
things is that it is good to have us the local shoemakers too, because what we can do is not only use leather, but we can use cloth and make the shoes too.
Same way.
And any type of material of your choice, even hemp, all those things.
Yes.
So you need to take it on a comprehensive level,
Yes, you know.
sustainable level.
Yeah man guys, so
level.
I'm gonna say feel free, you know, to contact whenever you're ready. Well, thank you so much, you know. So Marris,
Yeah, man,
Give thanks and big up yourself, you know.
man,
Thank you for the insight. In general,
Bless up,
you know,
yes,
and don't stop, you know. Hopefully this can bring in some call, can bring some connects, you know, we can help out further the things, see me, you know.
Of course.
To get it on a scale where we know, say, yo, we elevate each other, you know.
We have some brilliant persons in Jamaica, man. They're full of potential.
Very.
And all we need is just opportunities and access to funds.
Yes.
If we
True.
get the opportunities and access to funds, because if we use our hand and use knife and bevel and cut these things, can you imagine if we have a computer machine we chop out the thing?
True, true.
Mass production that we can do it with precision.
Sure.
How excellent that would be.
Of course. You know, when you see the shoes, them I leave Jamaica brand, made in Jamaica, you know, and then realize that these are the quality.
Me not see where that about right now, because most of the youth them not coming and shoemaking.
Yeah.
Because it's more like them as your old man work like, you know, because most of the facts them lock now.
Yes.
Where they really bringing the youth them to do some work.
Yes.
You understand? Most of them lock down.
It's true.
Tunnels lock down, gates are locked down, salmon shoes locked down. All of them locked down and gone. You understand? So I don't look at corner shoemaker them now where bring out for them they have tried. Hold the thing together and make some shoes, but they still not get the price because the material is so expensive.
Yeah.
And then the fine shoes that are coming at the little cheap rate.
Mass production.
Yeah, people they prefer buy them, but as them buy them, I think about this. So I want to sell because them buy them, the bottom them drop off. Shoes all them drop off.
Yes.
And then we get the work to stitch them on.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man. But I'm saying don't lose faith. You see me, I say hope. Because you never know what because you know why. You still have the knowledge. You see me? And once you have the knowledge, you still can pass it on to our next one. See me? So you know, we don't know what the future holds. People can always turn, you know, and turn for the better because time I come and I realize say original way is always the best way.
Of course.
You know, because them say short and draw blood, you know.
Yeah.
So you know the longer way is the best way.
To teach them how to stitch. So I say, alright, sit down there and watch them. Every time I look up in the
Phone, yes. That's a distraction.
Distracted, man.
Yes.
Easily
Technology.
Yes.
Technology.
I say, put on the phone and watch what I do. You understand? Look more, if you say no matter what kind of education you want to have, what you're going to do in this life, but then they have a tree, or something you can rock back to.
Yes, true.
Anything happen you can rock back to. Learn to run the machine. You know much places me have about enough time to go stitch for people. I'm going to fix their machine and all of them stuff.
Of course, and it make ends meet, right? Make ends meet. Make ends meet.
Sometimes they haven't gone all the St. Elizabeth, Westbourne and St. Mary all about and fix machine.
True. So you see?
And I like me go to school to learn. Just somebody give me a little knowledge and tell me.
Yes. And that's so easy, you catch it and say, see me.
This way you can do. And this is the girl. Go on this so and come so. And put it down. And then she hold the thread, see like come in and hold it so. The machine turn on. And you know some people that step on the pedal and rush it down.
Yeah.
So the girl
Take our time.
and this is the nigga go down and she follow the line on the shore and he said, no, Mark. You look like a teacher woman than the boy them now.
Yeah.
You understand? And so he says she go and stitch it up and he said, yeah man, good. But still I know distraction still take over.
Alright then, my general. I'm
Yeah
say
man, you don't know.
we catch up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
General?
Yes, sir.
Big up, man. The guys, I'm say give him a phone call, you know. And see what guys do each other, you know.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.